And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your DOOGEE T20. So in the first step you have to go to the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the fax app. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can open it. Add the permissions to the camera into the files and tap on the plus to choose source of your document. I'm gonna choose pick something from your gallery. Just select it. Of course you can select more than one picture and choose import. Now you can adjust the shape to your document and click arrow. There is a place where you have to choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible. You can add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. Okay, now click the accept icon and type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. Now just get your free credits or buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.